when your ultimate goal is to be the best version of yourself, you have to push your limits. That is why we at JCB are here with the next best excavator that has everything it takes to ace your business. JCB NXT 225 LCN is truly the next best excavator in terms of power, performance, efficiency, and technology. Built to deliver best-in-fleet performance, equipped with top-of-the-line technology, ultimate durability, and superior comfort. It is uncompromising in every aspect. Featuring a heavy-duty dig end, this machine delivers the next level of durability. The extended service intervals for engine oil at 500 hours and hydraulic oil at 5,000 hours delivers complete peace of mind. Equipped with advanced telematics JCB LiveLink 4.0, you can achieve enhanced uptime and stay connected 24/7 with your fleet. It's time to take the leap and transcend to the next level of success with the next best from JCB, the JCB NXT 225 LCN.